Ranger, and first I'd like to give you the gun safety rules for small children. If you see a gun, stop, don't touch, leave the area, and tell an adult. What if the adult doesn't know how to unload a gun? I could show you, but first I would like to tell you that I wouldn't touch a real gun or an airsoft toy like this without my daddy being present, but he's present right now. So, first you check the chamber to see if there is a round in it. And then you check the mag well to see if there's a mag in it, and you take it out and put it in your pocket if you have one, but of course we don't have one. And then you cup your hands over the ejection port, and you shift the weapon 90 degrees, and you pull the slide back gently, and you let the round fall in your hand, and you let the slide go back gently. And you put it in your pocket if you have one, but I don't have one. Then you chamber check,